Good morning, guys. It's 7 o'clock at Seethanadhi Camp. A beautiful morning. I've been hearing a lot of bird calls since morning. I'm not able to see them because they're high up in the canopy, but absolutely beautiful morning. And we are going on a short nature walk. I've come here with my family this time. This is the Seethanadhi river right next to the camp.
So we started for our morning trek, which was for about 1 hour around the campus. The forests were really dense, and we also saw a few really old, massive trees.
And that's another truly massive tree again. The forests of Agumbe, they're magical.
We got a fleeting glimpse of a Malabar giant squirrel.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
We then saw a Malabar grey hornbill, which was feeding in the canopy, and it was close to another Malabar giant squirrel. We came across what looked like a watchtower or a birding tower. We reached this point, which was downstream on the river, where we saw a few birds on the river bank. This is a prickly ash tree.
Green wine snake.
We almost walked past this beautiful young green wine snake. It's got such beautiful camouflage that it's very difficult to spot among the green vegetation. The sun rays by now had begun to penetrate the dense canopy. The forests were full of bird calls, many of which I could not identify. It took us about an hour to complete the trek. As we approached the camp, we saw this beautiful Malabar giant squirrel at close proximity.
Alright, so after the trek, we have had breakfast, and I'll just show you around the campus now. It's a quite little campus. So that's the car parking and the dormitory. This is the kids play area here. So there are around 4 lines, balancing lines for the kids to walk on. So this is the campfire area. So there are a few benches and hammocks to sit and relax here. So this is the cafeteria here. Alright, let me show you the rooms.
To our surprise, a staff showed us a young pit viper near one of the rooms. Apparently, it had been in the same place for the past couple of days.
And that's our cottage in which we are staying. So here all the cottages are actually named after a tree. And ours is cottage room number 1, and it's named after the tree Dupa. The scientific name seems to be Vatiria indica. So you have a pretty decent sized bed, and you also have a additional bed. So it's actually quite spacious, I feel, and it's nice, and the bathroom is good as well. So quite a spacious bathroom as well. Nice place to stay here. So there's a nice spacious sit out in front of the wooden cottage to sit and relax. So I think that's the best part of the wooden cottage. In fact, this is built on a huge platform that you can see here, and we have a lot of space all around the cottage as well, just to maybe take a walk, or this also provides a good platform for you to look around the cottage. And there are a few AC cottages as well, but we are staying in the non-AC one. And there are a few tented accommodations here as well at Seethanadhi camp. The activities at this camp are mainly trekking in the morning that we can go, and at the same time at evening there is a small coracle ride that they take us in the Seethanadhi river itself. Apart from that, yeah, we can do a lot of birding, lot of birds in and around here. And there also seems to be Kudlu Tirtha Falls, where we are planning to go now. So That's around 16 kilometers, about 1 hour's drive, and then a small trek also to reach the falls. So we're planning to go there now. Apart from that, we can also visit Agumbe to view the sunset, which is again I think about half an hour's drive from here.
We saw a few birds right in front of our room.